Welcome back to the channel. My name is Noah. Behind me, a lot of cool stuff, but I mean, this is by far one of the best super SUVs ever. Ferrari Purosangue. The color that you're looking at is Viola Hong Kong. This car was with us. We actually did a video with this and that beautiful Azul La Plata SF90. We'll have a link to it somewhere on the screen. So this is coming from Renegade. They're newer, however, I think they're doing some personal sick stuff. Once again, that's my personal opinion. Crazy on the front lip, the beautiful hood. We actually have another Purosangue back there. You can see how sculpted this hood is against this. You can see how much more aggressive this is. Obviously, there's the arch extensions, which obviously widen the car by quite a bit. That is the reason why it's actually here right now. Full recap from our last video is that this car has a full Novitec exhaust, which sounds insane. My personal opinion, by far the best sounding SUV out there. And then obviously it's also on Novitec suspension. So we changed out the wheels for these beautiful, and I mean, Anarchy does it every single time. AN32s, so there's a 3-piece wheel, satin black, hidden hardware, gloss black on the lip, wrapped around Michelin Pilot Sport 4Ss. At the front, we are looking at 265s by 22, and in the rear, we're doing 315s by 23. And this car has absolutely so much presence. I think that this is how it should have come out from the factory, especially given everything that Ferrari has done in the past. But I believe that this one is finally ready to go back to its original owner. Hopefully he's super happy once we deliver it. And I mean, just wait till you hear it.
Where's the car going?
To Poland, to Warsaw. I was actually just in Poland during my Germany trip. I was on the other side on Krakow. So I think that this is definitely gonna break brains over there. I promise. This is just gonna melt their heads. They've never seen anything like this. But yeah, let's get in it. Let's give it a few rolls. I wanna see what it looks like rolling. I want you to take a little bit of hear a little bit of the sound while it's, you know, cruising. And then we'll give it some revs. There you go. This one's done. Super fun. Absolutely amazing drive. Great sound. Looks incredible. Fitment on point as always. But time to let you know what you guys think down in the comment section below. As always, a like rating is appreciated. Smash the subscribe button. My name is Noah, and from all of us here at Wheels Boutique, thank you for watching.